In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix T-Mobile phone not working. Let's get started. First thing you should do is check whether T-Mobile is experiencing a widespread outage. For that, launch your preferred browser. Then type in T-Mobile server status and search for it. Now head over to the website downdetector.com. If you found out any ongoing network issues or maintenance, all you have to do is wait until the problem will be restored from the end. If there is not a reported outage, start by turning airplane mode on for about 30 seconds and turn it back off. This forces your phone to reconnect to the nearest T-Mobile cell tower. After that, restart your phone completely and wait a few minutes. Next, make sure you are in the area with good network coverage. If you are indoors, try moving near a window or step outside, as buildings can sometimes block your cellular signals. If possible, travel to a different location to see if your phone reconnects to the network. You should also check whether your mobile network settings are configured correctly. For that, launch settings, go to cellular, go to network selection and make sure you have toggle on for this option of automatic. If your phone still is not connecting, remove the SIM card, inspect it for any visible damage or dust, and reinsert it securely. If a device supports eSIM, make sure your eSIM is still active and properly installed. Likewise, check for your device update. If any new updates are available for your device, just update it. If mobile data is not working but calls and texts are, verify that mobile data is turned on and that you haven't reached any data limits on your account. You can also reset your network settings. If you have tried all of these steps and your phone still is not working, log into your T-Mobile account or use another device to check for any account-related issues, such as suspended line or billing problem. If everything looks normal and there is still no service, contact T-Mobile customer care for further assistance. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.